Hi, thanks for clicking through. In this video I will show you how you can step up low voltage power to a high voltage power, plus how you can get power from 3 different ways yet using the same transformer. Now you can see the LED is lighting up, doesn't matter whichever way you connect the battery. Well, that's because the LED is using only the half wave of the AC current at a time. So let's see what happens if we connect another LED in the opposite direction. Okay, until now I've showed you 2 ways and here is the final way. To do that we gonna have to connect the LED to the primary coil. And there you go, 3 ways of getting power with one shot. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.